Whoa.
Nice shot.
Welcome everyone to another North Dakota public land pheasant hunt with North Point Kennels. Today we have a full day of hunting as I start with my buddies and their dogs in the morning, and then move to an afternoon hunt with drag where we get the first blizzard of the year.
Mark! Mark! Fetch! 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 He's got it! Here! Out! Out! Good. Good pups. Here, here. Let's bring him back in. Thanks. Had that problem not wanting to blow it up. Take my place and stick with them. I gotta tie my boot. Good pups.
It always happens this way. As soon as it wouldn't be ideal for birds to flush, something happens. But I still get to see some of the action for my buddies.
Stay with him, Bri. Rooster! You alright? You ready?
After several minutes of the dogs not being birdie, we arrive at what each hunter marks as perhaps the memory of the year, and this one was special for us. We see the dogs working lightly birdie when Dre finally goes on lock. Coming into sportive, Nelly and Wess beautifully honor the point.
Point. Point. Watch the dogs. Brian, curl.
Whoa.
Nice shot. Sorry, Heath. I waited. Fetch! Fetch! Good point. Dre, fetch! Fetch! Out! Come here. Good. Out! Out! Easy, easy, easy. Good. Good, easy. Good pops. Didn't look too young. Maybe last year's bird.
I had a bad angle.
I didn't look at the spurs, but just color-wise. Oh man, that held hard and the dogs worked great. Triple point again. Was that Wes up by him?
Yeah.
So it's Wes and then Nelly's back, right? Absolutely. But they all backed off at the right distance. That was fantastic. Easy. Wes. Or Nelly.
Hunting corn edges historically has birds, but poses the risk of birds running safely into the field. With the coming weeks allowing farmers to get the corn out, that will change the game greatly for our advantage.
Cool. Corn. I'll see. Yeah. There was a bird there, I'm pretty positive. Wes, I think there. Yeah, I think so. Hen. Good pop. Who is that? Hen. There's hen. Good pops. No bird. Good pops. Keep at it. I'll call him back to you, bro.
Finishing our morning hunt, I'd take her out to 2 fields, more western, in the afternoon with my dog Dre. To this point in the year, I've been shooting pretty good for me. Confidence is up, and my, does hunting have a way of humbling you. Just watch.
Good boy, Dre. Dre, no bird. Here. I think it was double rooster, but young. Good boy. Dre, here. Easy.
I think the worst part is not so much missing the bird, but letting my dog Dre down after all of his hard work. Dre works the downwind scent and flares, begins to move up on this bird, and with it finally releasing as he gets close to these cattails. I fully accept that I missed this bird, and what I say next is an excuse. But watch how this bird hard pivots in the air as I pulled the trigger for the first shot. Crazy.
Good boy, Dre. Dre, no bird. Nope. Dre, here. No bird.
I finished the first field of the afternoon and moved to the last field of the day. As I'm driving, the wind and storm starts. I love hunts like this. It changes the way that I hunt the field and how the birds react. This ended up being a mini blizzard where I had to drive home at about 40 miles per hour. Arriving at our first cattails, Dre goes birdie and hard points. The cool part ends up being that although Dre didn't notice, we can see the bird escape from the field that's harvested. I like this because I can read his body and his reaction and know that there was a bird. Although he never did see the bird, and there wasn't another, this provides me valuable insights as to how he works and his mannerisms. Now when I see this later, I can translate his body language. After seeing that hen, we cross most of this field until we get to an area where we saw 2 pheasants get up and land again. The wind is picking up and behind us, which is not helping. What follows is a bit of organized chaos, and in hindsight, wish I would have worked this differently. Somehow. With the snow accumulating, we finally get back to working against the wind, which is helping Dre air scent. What happens next, I can only describe as a young dog getting played by an old smart rooster. This is a great learning opportunity for the young Dre. At this point, it's just too late, and we were hoping for another, but I wanted to show Dre the trail and a release point in hopes for education.
You gotta play it again. It's close to show you get a lot to learn, pup. Hen! No bird, no bird. Hear that? Trey, here.